Hi! In front of me is Vivo V21e, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. You need to start by opening settings and scrolling down just a bit to access sound. Now tap on Vibrate Vocals and click on the best option for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. In my case, never vibrate. When you finished, go back. Now click on this switcher next to notification vibration to disable or enable them. When you're ready, scroll all the way down and click on those switchers next to charging sounds and vibration, touch vibration, and vibrates when the other party answers or hangs up to switch them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!